So very good morning to everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the cloud deployments. That is, in the previous session we have discussed about the public clouds, and then now in this session we are going to discuss about the private clouds and then the community clouds. So in the private cloud, there is a little uh, a difference between the private and then the public cloud from a technical point of view, as their architectures are very similar. And then, however, we are saying that for a public cloud is that the data which you have been uh, which we have been storing that in the public cloud and then retrieving it, we can make that the data privacy is of it's not a compromised one, because here the security concerns when we are seeing about the public cloud is we have a high risk or data privacy. But in case of private cloud, the particular cloud services is owned only for the set of organization and then the people who have been working in that organization. So in that way, the data maintenance and then the data privacy will be the a greater advantage in the private cloud. And then the private cloud is that only one organization uses this deployment model to run its workload, and a server as hosted externally. That's what I've said that. So independent organization, those who need to maintain the data confidentially, then they will be using the private cloud. Regardlessly their physical location and then the infrastructures have been maintained as privately. That is, they can able to have an access only within their location, not that is, it is strictly based on the location and then the place where he is accessing. And then this is about the private cloud, how the a user can access the private cloud. There will be a boundary controller will be there, so that within the corresponding areas only the bandwidth of a network will be provided to the user. So apart from that region, they can't be able to access the network from the cloud. And then these are the benefits of private cloud. Flexible development and high scalability will be there. So it scalability in the sense means the number of users will be rapidly increasing. The performance of the cloud services which is provided to the user also will be as no compromisation will be done there. So how it is providing the user for a single user, the same thing will be done for 100 or 1000 users also. And then here the high security and privacy and reliability is done. And then the drawbacks is that mainly the expenses or the cost, we are saying that expense on hardware, software, and then the staff training who is going to maintain the cloud, or how to out that is, the users of a private cloud and then the admin of a private cloud, we are going to pay them and then we are going to access them. So that is the private cloud. So that is they are saying that it is very expensive, and it is secure and flexible, even though it is of costly. And then community cloud is that community cloud deployment largely resembles a private cloud. The only difference is that set of users. When a private type implies that one company owns a server, in case of the community one, where the infrastructure will be shared to the users who are being accessing the resources. And then here community cloud architecture they have mentioned about that. So they have the different organizations have been there with the cloud environment. So different organizations have been giving access to the cloud to recover for a data, and then they can access the data. So this part of communication is said to be the community cloud. So the advantages of community cloud is that cost reduction, improved security, privacy, and reliability is done. Ease of data sharing and collaboration is done here. And then these are all about the techniques which have been discussed in the cloud deployment. So totally in the first part, public cloud we have discussed, and then second part it is about private cloud, and then community cloud we have discussed. So by this ways, the cloud is deployed their services, and then depends upon the users concern of which cloud they are going to use, that they can able to access the cloud based upon the service which they require. They can able to pay and then they can use, or if they need to access the free of charge, then public cloud is essential, and then community cloud and then private cloud is somewhat different. So the private cloud is that they need to pay and then they use, and community cloud is that a group of organization they are required for cloud services to access that. So the main concept is that for whomever which cloud you are choosing, is that data privacy is main here. So there is no compromise for the security part. So keep that in mind, and then we need to select the a cloud, which cloud we are being better to use. Thank you.